Okay, hey y'all, it's me, Sarah. Let me make sure I'm not all up in y'all faces. Okay. Hey y'all, it's me, Sarah. I'm the owner of Speaking of Bangles. If you don't know who I am, now you know. Well, nice to meet you. But anyway, I figured I would turn the camera on and talk to y'all because I don't know, I just felt like giving y'all some advice. So here's some advice. If you feel like your business is failing, if you feel like your business is not what it should be, or whatever, or you know, some tips to help and stuff like that. But if you want more information on really how to like keep your business up and going and having sales, at least one sale a day, then look in the bio. We got books. But I'm gonna just give y'all some upbeat, you know, advice while I'm doing my makeup, because I'm getting ready to go to Orlando, child. So yeah, so first things first, I would say is be mindful when you're starting. Enjoy the process. I was just like y'all, not enjoying the process at all. Like I was over here like, oh, I was in a business group chat, right? I was in a business group chat, and I have you know, an acquaintance of mine. She has a business, and you know, her business is very successful. I would say she had like 14K followers, and I don't know, I just always saw her shipping stuff, so I was like, girl, like I'm trying to get like you. And she was just like, girl, enjoy the process at like right now as you can, because when you start getting more orders, it becomes so much stressful. And I can say, looking back now, I'm like, I should have like enjoyed the ride. Like, but the thing is, I started my business while injured, so I was just like bored, for one, waiting on orders and stuff like that. I'll probably do a story time later in the future on what happened to me. Oop. I'll probably do a story time later on what happened to me and stuff. But I was injured for the year 2021, I believe. I got injured, because we're in 2023, like 2 years ago. So I was injured, and yeah, I was bored sitting at home, you know, posting. I post 3 times a day. Finally got the courage to start up TikTok, and you know, here I am today. But anyway, one thing I could say is enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride as you can. Like, take your time, girl or boy, whoever it is watching this. Take your time, because as soon as you start getting them orders, you're gonna be like, dang, I low-key miss. Not like, I mean, it's exciting, but when you're getting them every week, like let's say you're getting 100 orders every week. I'm not saying I'm getting 100 orders every week, but there was a time where I was getting 50 orders back to back, like every 3 or 2 days, and it was just like, it was a stressful period. I was like, hold on, slow down. And then people were getting mad because I couldn't ship within 3 days when they ordered, and child, it was just very stressful. So enjoy the time that you have with your small business. I still have a small business, you know. My business, every week, every 3 days or so, I would get about 20 orders, so it slowed down. Sometimes I don't even get 20 orders within a week. Sometimes I get only 5 or 10. It just depends. Like, I'm just loving how paceful it is right now. Next tip I could give y'all: if you are not posting every day, I don't know what you're doing. Like, if you're not posting 3 times a day, whether it's on TikTok, whether it's on Instagram, whether it's on Twitter. I don't use Twitter, but if you want to use Twitter, go ahead. Whether it's Pinterest, whether it's YouTube, I don't know what you're doing. I do not know what you're doing, because you have to post at least, I'm gonna say post at least once, twice, or 3 times a day. Don't go overboard and post like 10 times unless it's TikTok. TikTok, do whatever you want, but Instagram, your followers gonna be annoyed. They're gonna be like, girl, what you doing? Be consistent with posting, because if you're not, like, your followers gonna be like, why am I following you if you're not posting? Like, when you post, you want your store to reach a certain audience, And another thing is you have to reach the right target audience. If you're not reaching your right target audience, it's going to be very hard to make sales, or to even get sales, or get attention to your store. Other things like your content could just be booty. Your content could just be trash. Like, if your videos aren't clear, nobody's gonna be watching them. Or sometimes it's just one of those days where your social media app is not pushing your content out. Or people just don't have money. That could be one thing. There's like other things I could name. Target audience is basically ages up to 25 and under. Have you had a sale? Has it been a while since? When was the last time you had a sale? Sometimes having a sale keeps your customer flow going. I don't know how to really explain it, but like, don't be having sales every day, or every 3 days you're gonna have a sale, because then like your customer's gonna be like, dang, her products are probably cheap, or her products are probably like bad quality. Or you don't want to have sales too often, and plus you want to be able to gain revenue. You don't want to you just don't want to have sales too often, like, you get what I'm saying? So yeah, but it's good to have deals though. Like, let's say one day, let's say the bracelet that I'm wearing, right? Let's say this bracelet right here, it's typically $15 in my store, right? Let's say, oh, on charm bracelets, $5 on charm bracelets. All charm bracelets are $5. The girls are gonna be like, oh, a deal? Like, why not? You like, be patient. If you're not patient, it's gonna be very, very hard to enjoy this journey. Cause it's like, I can't even be talking, cause I was one of them girls like, dang, like my business is trash. Like, nobody's looking at it. I'm not getting no sales. Like, what should I do? Like, what to do? I'm not making no money. It's not even about the money, but it's like, dang, not even people are looking at my store. Like, I would get like maybe 5 views back then in my store, and I'll be like, dang, I'm not really getting no views like that on the site. Impatient. That was like my problem. I was very impatient. I wanted to have like 1,000 followers in a week, but that's not possible. I mean, it is possible, but y'all get what I'm saying. It's not really possible. Like, girl, you gotta be patient. Like, what you doing? If you feel like you're making mistakes in business, it's okay. Like, I've made plenty mistakes, trust me. There are times where I shipped the wrong customers' orders. There are times when I have thought I've given customers their items, but I didn't. So it's okay to make mistakes. Like, give a customer 10% off their order because you made a mistake. It's okay to give them 50% off their order if you made a mistake. So it's okay to make mistakes. Like, girl, like, chill. Like, don't freak out when you make a mistake. That's something I wish like some of these YouTubers, when I was watching them business owners would tell me. Like, it's okay to make mistakes. That's all I really gotta say. Like, if you guys want me to do like a day in my life, then I'll go ahead and do it. Anyway, bye y'all.